Hi guys, so we are celebrating Native American History Month with this awesome read aloud of Water Protectors, written by Carol Lindstrom, illustrated by Michaela Goad, and here we go. Get my glasses on. We are water protectors. Beautiful illustrations. You'll see why they won the award. Water is the first medicine. Nukomi told me. There's your grandmother. We're learning Indian words, Native American Indian words, Nukomi. We stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. The river's rhythm runs through my veins, runs through my people's veins. My people talk of black snake that will destroy the land. Spoil the water, poison the plants and animals, wreck everything in its path. When my people first spoke of the black snake, they foretold that it wouldn't come for many, many years. Now the black snake is here. Its venom burns the land, courses through the water, making it unfit to drink. Take courage. I must keep the black snake away from my village's water. I must rally my people together. She reminds me of Pocahontas. To stand for the water, to stand for the land, to stand as one against the black snake. We stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. It will not be easy. We fight for those who cannot fight for themselves, the winged ones, the crawling ones, the four-legged, the two-legged, the plants, the rivers, the trees, and the lakes. The earth, we are all related. Tears like waterfalls stream down, tracks down my face, tracks down my people's face. Water has its own spirit, Nukomi told me. Water is alive. Water remembers our ancestors who came before us, she said. We stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. We are stewards of the earth. Our spirits have not been broken. We are water protectors. We stand. The black snake is in for the fight of its life. In the Native American Indian culture, women are water protectors, and the men are the protectors of fire. And I love this because the female character in this book is a little girl, and I love that the author depicted her as such, that she depicted her as a little girl with that rising up with that strong courage and that power. She wasn't a woman, she was a little girl. And I just love that. She stands for Mother Earth, she stands for her people and her culture, and she is a water protector, and she wants to keep the earth clean and protect the water and protect Mother Earth. And at the back, it's very, very important to the Native American Indian culture, and it should be very important to all of us. And what I love is at the back of this book, there is a pledge, and I want to read it to you. So I encourage you to go purchase this book if you don't own it already. But at the back of the book, Earth Steward and Water Protector Pledge. I will do my best to honor Mother Earth and all its living beings, including the water and land. I will always remember to treat the earth as I would like to be treated. I will treat the winged ones, the crawling ones, the four-legged, the two-legged, the plants, trees, rivers, lakes, the earth, with kindness and respect. I pledge to make this world a better place by being a steward of the earth and a protector of the water. And here you can write your name and today's date. And I love that. So at the end of this children's book, you take that pledge to be a water protector yourself and to protect Mother Earth and all its glory. So thank you for joining us today. We're celebrating Native American History Month. Be on the lookout for more read-alouds from us, as well as a fun video on how to make a dream catcher at home. Thank you for joining us today for this fun read-aloud, and come join our adventures in the Little Red Schoolhouse.